Trend alert. Okay, guys. I saw this trend where this girl styled her hair with only water. No gel, no cream, no leave-in, just plain old H2O. And her curls turned out amazing. So I thought, we don't have the same curl type, but I want to try this trend. I want to see what my hair looks like. I already have a feeling that this isn't going to work, but let's trust the process. I'm not going to knock it. Can it define my curls and control frizz? Let's find out together. My hair looks like this right out of the shower. It's freshly washed, no product added at all. I'm going to section it as usual, apply water, and I'm even going to use the viral bounce curl brush to see if it makes a difference. There's no hidden tricks, no hidden agendas. What you see is what I'm doing. This is the quickest routine I've ever tried. Section, brush, and I did do small sections, spray a bit of water, and brush style. That is it. If you want to be adventurous, you can start finger coiling, raking, or scrunching, but I am not doing any of that. So far, it's looking exactly like what I thought it would. The root of my hair is more frizzy than the ends of my hair. Always. Like, it looks good, but I see Afro, baby. I don't see much definition. And that's all right. My curl pattern is what it is. This is what my hair looks like with just water, as per usual. I'm not even worried about shrinkage and frizz because I expect this. It's normal with normal products. So without, we might have less shrinkage. But my hair feels so soft. It just shows my hair loves water. My hair needs to be hydrated on a regular. Look at this. The slightest difference from starting with a brush to not. It is soft, no crunch, no stickiness, from products. None of that business. It's just feeling soft and fluffy right now. So moving on to the dry results and how I'm drying my hair. I'm not diffusing. When I have no products in my hair dries so quickly. So this process is excellent for my hair. My hair soaks up that water and then dries. It doesn't take 8 hours, maybe an hour or 2 at the most. Not even. I don't even think it will take 2 hours. So a big advantage for styling your hair with water is it dries quickly. No wasted time. So these are the results. This is what I'm dealing with. Frizz, no definition, zero crunch or hold, massive volume. I mean, it could get bigger. When it dries, it gets massive and I could fluff it out more, which is lovely, but not exactly like what her curls look like, if you know what I mean. Frizz, of course. The more frizz, the better. The bigger the volume. This is what I expected. I'm a little bit shocked. There is a bit of definition. I never expected any definition. But there is slight definition on the ends. That's weird, right? It just shows I have different curl textures. If you ever think, my hair's not doing what it's supposed to do. Why is one part like curling properly and the other isn't? Try this. And it will show you the bits that need more work and the bits that need less. Like mine is the roots and almost the whole head. But just the ends are like crisp. Yeah, some close-up shots. Texture, movement, yeah. Pro tip, apparently, if I tried warm water to open the cuticle, it would define my curls more. But I didn't do that. I used cold water straight out of the tap. Honestly, I don't think it would have made much of a difference. Maybe slightly more definition. Slight. When I say slight, I mean minimal. So water-only styling is definitely something I would try if I want my afro to flourish. And I've done this numerous times. I would say maybe add a leave-in. See, I can't go without any products. This is crazy, right? How are we so dependent on the manufacturing of products? But this is what my hair looks like with products. Guys, the difference is there's no competition here. It just depends how you want your curls to look. This is how I want mine to look, and so I will continue to do this. Would you try styling your curls with just water? Drop an emoji in the comments. I want to know. Or even just try it once. Or if you've ever done it. And comment with what you would like me to try next. To get amazing definition, I always use a stronghold gel. You can have a look at my other videos. Stronghold gels are like a must. Sometimes I like a mousse. It depends on how I'm feeling on that day. But stronghold is what I prefer to use in my hair. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.